a chat with him because
Yeah.
what the hell is this guy doing? The hell's that? What a twat! Couldn't be asked to wait, and then honestly.
Whoa!
No way was he going to make that. Not a chance. Shoulder check! Shoulder. Oh my god! Didn't even shoulder check before you moved, did you? On his phone! Too busy looking at Grindr to do a shoulder check.
Oh.
Squeeze me.
Is changing. Find out more at gov.uk/renters' rights.
Yeah, fun.
Hear that?
Ladder.
I would love to use my freaking eyes, mate.
You got chopped up as well.
That's new. What used to be there? Or is that a new building? What are we doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
Had a good look at.
It's like
What are you doing?
maybe shot there a bit, mate. I don't think you realise that light wasn't for you. Shot
Around there.
I think you had enough time to stop there.
The red light. Oh, bloody hell. You did. Kind of. No, you didn't. Off you went.
He's just come through a red light. I know, yeah, naughty boy.
Blatant red light.
Yeah, that's a bus lane, but okay, enjoy your bus fines for both of you. It doesn't actually end until there, but you know, whatever. Maybe you can put on your wall when you paid it. Nice picture of your car.
Alright.
Dodging the potholes.
We can understand why you slowed down. Look at this.
Fine, isn't it?
I know, and I was like, well, we're not in a huge rush. We're thinking about this as if we stay there another 12 to 18 months when we move position, and then it was interesting. Whatever.
Pay a couple of quid, like
Yeah.
yeah, alright, I'm here, sort of thing. Oh dear,
Oh dear.
he's missing something.
It's a broken down Audi.
Oh dear, broken down.
Oh no, that's the second bus we've seen broken down today.
And the Zephyr 6. MGBs. Old. And new. Well, newer anyway. And we have here a 2006 PT Cruiser. And a Sierra XL4. And here is one that everybody's dad drove. A Mark III Ford Cortina. Although this one with the quad lights was obviously a well-spec'd one for the day. Now here's one we don't see very often. A 1970s Audi 100 Coupe. Okay, now we have Jaguar XK. There's an old BMW next to it. We have a little Mini and a Fiat Spider, no less. followed by a little Austin Healey.
Get out. What are you doing? Just saw that off camera, revving his engine, got right up the arse of the guy. Santa Claus, what are you doing? Let's see if we can catch up with Santa Claus. So we try and leave Wicks. Alright. Grand Theft Drinks machine.